Alright everybody, I am in the process of repairing the shower and I came across a stuck screw because it's kind of corroded because they've been installed for probably 35 years and all the water and soap scum and everything. Most of them I got out with this impact screwdriver right here, and that worked on all of them except for one really stubborn one, and end up stripping the head out on it, so the screwdriver just spin because the head is stripped. So I went to the store to get a screw extractor, and the gentleman at the store told me of an old school method that people used to use before those were invented. Was take a t-shirt, it's an old t-shirt rag or something, and put that in the screw head just like that, so it grips the screw, and then just tap it and it'll start to spin. Because the cloth actually grabs the stripped out part and it turns. Look at that. And I put a dot with a marker on there so I could see it moving, if it was moving or not. So there you have it. That's one way to get out a stripped screw head without having to purchase one of those expensive screw extractor kits. Look at that. That head was shot. Okay, I came across another screw that the head is stripped out probably when they installed the shower, and it's just been that way for all these years. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that trick with the t-shirt to remove it with the impact screwdriver. Okay, what I did in the other one is I put a little dot with a Sharpie on the head of the screw. The lighting isn't very good to see that. And there, I put a dot right there on the top so I can see if the screw is turning as I'm pounding on the impact. Okay, and my wife pulled the shower panel for me because it's kind of shaky when you hit it. See that? I don't know if you can see or not, but the marker spot is turning, so we know the screw is moving. It's working. Let's continue. Let's get this screw out of here. And there we go. Now it's finally loose enough to turn by hand. Let me show you that. So the dot is on the bottom now. Now it's basically, I'd say, finger loose, screwdriver loose. There it is. I still use this t-shirt to grab the head because it is so stripped. Just tore out. How about that? Done. That trick works so great. Highly recommended. Hope this helps you out on some of your projects. Thanks for watching.